Where is the CO2 detector that was plugged in the hallway? Don't shut the fucking fan off again.
Oh my god, so annoying.
And a smoky log, so it created a little bit of smoke. But this house has been filled before. I don't know, maybe it's this actual alarm. It's creepy looking out that window. Because it's like clouds are going by, full moon, branches from the trees.
Okay.
It's like werewolf. I'm not kidding you. From where I'm sitting.
Okay.
Can you turn it off?
No, it's electrical.
It's so annoying.
Put the TV on so you don't hear it.
You can still hear it over the TV.
No.
I took out the battery that was in that thing. Feel it.
What battery and what?
It was in this one.
Yeah.
Feel it.
Just get some new ones. It's hot.
Why would it do that?
I don't know.
And I don't know how to stop that thing from going off. I don't know if it means it's dying.
Oh no, I'm going.
Oh my god.
Deal with it.
It's so annoying.
I'm gonna do it again.
You just wave the broom to get it to stop again?
Well, whoever keeps shutting off the fan,
It's getting chilly.
put a blanket on.
I have a blanket on.
Okay.
Get another one.
You
Then
get
deal
it.
with the noise. I don't care. I'm gonna go to bed and shut my door. I'm not gonna listen to it.
Can you at least, like, take care of it for right now before you
I did take care of it, and then I put the fan on, and everybody keeps shutting the fan off. I'm not dealing with it anymore.
What?
It's going off again. I don't understand why. The house has been filled with smoke.
Maybe it's a ghost.
I ordered the CO2 detector, and I was just checking to make sure it didn't come in. Because it should have been here.
Wait, Mom, come here.
Let's know where the other one is. The one that was... I'm not coming here.
It's been over, it's almost 2 hours now that I've been doing this.
Candace, what are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm busy.
With what?
I'm looking for something.
Well, it's
What?
up here.
I'm not coming up there until I find it.
What are you looking for?
What are you looking for?
The CO2 detector.
It's up here.
If it's up there, then tell me.
I'm telling you now.
Wait. Wait, I think this is what you're looking for.
Fucking ass. Have you been doing that the whole time?
Yeah.
Everyone knew but you. Mark, everyone, Mark, me, everyone knew.
Where's my phone?
He sent me a text and a picture of you waving that thing when I was at my house.
I didn't know at first. It's good he told me because I would have been right up on the beam and ripping the thing because I would not have been listening to it. And then you were waving the. Then I go, let me try waving the broom. Maybe I can do it. Come on. And he tried.
Yeah, then when The Walking Dead started, when Mark was waving the thing, I shut it up just so we could watch The Walking Dead in peace.
And then the fan. I'm like, try the fan. Turn the fan. And that's before I even knew. And I thought I was so smart. You know? I'm like, "Gee, I knew the fan would work."
As I'm sitting there going like this, like hitting the button.
My common sense would tell you just use the fan.
Yeah, and then
Trevor told me.
and then
I was like, why are you guys laughing? I'm worried and I'm stressed.
Mark was like putting his face into his coat because he could not like conceal his laughter.
She stood there and waved.
Well, she knew. She's like, I go, this way you'll be able to prove you're taller than Candace. And she just up there. Trevor shuts it off.
And I thanked her.
That was a good prank, Candace, you gotta admit.
Well, I'm stressing out about the noise. I'm like, I can hear it. I'm like,
Oh, he had me at first, too. I'm like, it's a smoke detector up here. And I'm like, you know, I would have went up there and pulled it out of the wall. And then you were waving the broom. And I'm like, turn the fan on. And then the fan stopped it. And I still didn't even know. I'm like, wow, I'm so smart. The hand really would. And I didn't even know by then, and then he told me.
I still want to see her.
Well, I'm going to bed, don't wake me.
Just so she feels like the last 2 hours haven't been like.